To fix stick drift on the Oculus Quest 2, start by resetting the controller. This can be done by removing the battery and waiting a few minutes before reinserting it, or by trying a different or new battery. After resetting, pair the controller with the headset again if necessary. If the issue persists, try cleaning the controller, as dirt, dust, or debris around the thumbsticks can cause drifting. To clean, turn off the controller and use a dry microfiber cloth to gently wipe around the thumbsticks. For stubborn dirt or grime, a slightly damp microfiber cloth can be used, but be cautious not to let any liquid seep into the controller. A 50-50 mixture of isopropyl alcohol and water is recommended, but ensure the cloth is not wet to avoid causing harm or damage. If cleaning does not resolve the issue, recalibrating the Quest controllers is the next step. This can be done by opening the Meta Quest app, selecting the Oculus Quest device, and then choosing the controller calibration option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the calibration process. These steps should help resolve stick drift on the Oculus Quest 2.